test for starch. Let us find out by a simple activity that leaves contain starch. Remove a green leaf from a plant and put it in a beaker half filled with water. Heat the water until it boils. Now remove the leaf and put it in the test tube and heat the test tube in the beaker till the leaf decolorizes. Take out the leaf and put it in the beaker for a while. And then spread the leaf evenly on a petri dish. Add a few drops of iodine or potassium iodide solution to the leaf and note the observations. What will you see? Any guesses? Yes, you are right. Leaf color changes into blue-black, and that indicates the presence of starch in leaves.